My sisters are coming over for coffee, and you are invited too. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home, health, and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And today, I have invited my sisters over for morning coffee. One of my sisters lives in Delaware, so often when the ones that live locally, when we get together for morning coffee, just for the heck of it, she misses out on it. So I thought Kimberly Davis's outdoor entertaining and decorating challenge was the perfect time to have them over. My sister's visiting from Delaware. She came in for to see my mom and to do some other things, and I thought while she's here, we'll get together for coffee. Let me show you what I've got in place. So here's what I've got going on right here, just nice and simple. I've got my thrifted cake stand right here, which I created in a DIY project, and I just set my luncheon plates on top of that. These plates are nice and small. I picked them up at Pier 1, a couple of years ago. And I have some water glasses that belong to my grandmother beneath that. And I wanted this thrifted stand to be tall enough that I could sit something under it if I need to. And so I've got my water glasses there because, as you can see, this table is small and I needed to have everything out here. So here I've got my cutlery. I've got a nice pitcher of cool water, and it's just infused with lemon and cucumber. Apple juice, cranberry juice, orange juice. 4 just little tiny tasters of strawberry yogurt, and it is the light yogurt. Here I've got a little granola for people to put on top of the yogurt. And then of course we've got our fruit bar with some miniature muffins and some miniature egg casserole. Coffee's in the house because we would fix that up and bring our coffee out with us. And here's my beverage bar, my coffee bar I should say, all set up. There's some extra mini muffins there. There are my coffee mugs, my Keurig. You can see the decaf and caffeinated coffees in that little bowl toward the back. And then I've got some sweetened syrups and marshmallows, and then sugar, a pitcher of milk, a pitcher of honey, or I should say a container for honey, and then some artificial sweeteners there as well. So everything they should need for their coffee, they'll grab here and then take that outside to the porch. And then we would all just have a seat over here. We do a lot of entertaining on the porch. I hadn't really thought about that, but we enjoy sitting out on the porch because it's so nice and cool and you can enjoy nature while you're here. When I was out earlier getting things set up, the hummingbirds came over there to one of my container gardens, and it was just nice watching the hummingbirds there at the flowers. So it's just nice and cozy and intimate. And once again, I want to thank Kimberly Davis at Diva Designing on a Dime for hosting this challenge. I'm going to link the playlist below so that you can check out all the other videos that the other people who participated have put up, because you will get so many great ideas from just seeing what other people do. It was so much fun just getting the things out and just making things just a little bit more special for my sisters. One of the goals that I set for 2018 was to create more opportunities for us to get together and just be. Too many times families get together and it's a sad occasion. There's a funeral or something like that. Or it's a major gift-giving occasion like Christmas, or a major holiday like Thanksgiving, which has their own particular stressors. But I wanted to get together and host occasions that were stress-free. Just a time for us to get together and just be, and morning coffee is one of those. So now my question for you is, what occasion can you create for your family to just be? Tell me about it in the comment section below. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I'm a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about cooking, cleaning, laundry, planning, and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you in the next video.